Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Jonalyn Ginto, 32 years old, married. I have 4 children. I high school graduate. I have experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines as within 3 years.
Hi, Miss Jonalyn. How are you?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I'm honest, responsible, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
To make myself busy at my work.
Okay, so Miss Jonalyn, can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of newly-born baby?
I will feed them. I will change diaper, and I will love them like my own baby.
What if you commit a mistake to your employer? What will you do?
I will apologize, and I promise that I cannot do it again.
Any message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I really need this job and because to support my family, and I promise that you can trust me for everything in your family, and I will finish my contract.
Thank you, Miss Jonalyn, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.